Meaning of imitator.
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 Imitator. An imitator is a person who copies or mimics someone else's behavior, mannerisms, or speech patterns in an attempt to resemble or impersonate that person. Imitators can be found in various fields like music, comedy, and art, where they try to replicate the style or performance of a famous artist. The ultimate goal of an imitator is to achieve the same level of success or recognition as the person they are copying. However, imitators may also be seen as lacking originality and creativity, and their success may ultimately be limited by their inability to develop their unique voice or style.